Dell Pro Slim OptiPlex 7020 SFF. 14-core i5 14500 power, 32GB DDR5 memory, zero lag workflow.
You're sitting there watching that little blue circle spin while your entire morning slips away. You double-click Outlook and go make coffee because you know it's going to take forever. Your laptop sounds like it's about to take off during Zoom calls, and God forbid you try to open a second program while Excel is thinking. Emily, our accountant friend, literally times how long her current PC takes to wake up. 4 minutes and 38 seconds every single day. That's over 17 hours a year wasted just waiting for a machine to start. You're not slow, you're not outdated, your hardware is straight up disrespecting your time and talent.
Every week it feels heavier. The lag compounds, the crashes multiply, the excuses pile up. You start apologizing for things that aren't your fault. Sorry, my computer is updating. Give me 2 minutes, it's thinking. You watch younger colleagues fly through tasks on equipment half the price of what you paid 3 years ago and feel that quiet rage bubbling. You've already replaced machines twice in 5 years, and each one disappointed faster than the last. Deep down, you know you're hemorrhaging billable hours, losing competitive edge, and training yourself to work around broken tools instead of actually working. You're not just frustrated, you're being professionally sabotaged by hardware that gave up on you the day Windows pushed its last update. Here's the machine that ends the suffering. The Dell Pro Slim Next-Gen OptiPlex 7020 small form factor. This is the compact business desktop that makes everything else feel ancient. Inside, you get the 14-core Intel i5-14500 that absolutely demolishes heavy Excel models, 32 gigabytes of screaming fast DDR5 RAM that laughs at 50 Chrome tabs, a 512 gigabyte NVMe solid-state drive that boots Windows 11 Pro in seconds, rock-solid RJ-45 Gigabit Ethernet for zero-lag remote work, full HDMI plus DisplayPort for up to 4000 monitors, Intel UHD 770 graphics that drive multi-screen setups without breaking a sweat, Dell Optimizer AI that learns your habits and speeds everything up, full enterprise security with TPM 2.0, and the legendary 3-year next business day on-site warranty. All of it packed into a tiny, silent, gorgeous chassis that slides under any desk or mounts behind any monitor. This isn't an upgrade, this is liberation. Picture this. You hit the power button, and by the time you've put your coffee down, you're already in Outlook with Teams, Chrome, and a 400 megabyte spreadsheet fully loaded. Lisa, a graphic designer I know, went from 45-minute project opens on her old tower to 8 seconds flat. A law firm in Chicago swapped 80 machines to the Dell Pro Slim and cut their monthly billing prep time by 68 hours. That's real money back in their pocket. Another company runs AutoCAD, Revit, and 4,000 renders across triple monitors, and the fans stay quieter than a library. The DDR5 memory bandwidth chews through massive datasets like their text files. IT departments are obsessed because imaging is painless, remote management is built in, and when something does go wrong, basically never, Dell shows up at the desk the next business day. Zero downtime, zero excuses. You stop fighting your computer and start crushing your work. That's not marketing. That's what thousands of deployed units are proving right now.
If you're done letting slow hardware steal your life, click the link in the description and claim your Dell Pro Slim Next-Gen OptiPlex 7020 small form factor today. The current price with the full 3-year on-site warranty is honestly ridiculous for this level of performance, and thousands of smart businesses are locking theirs in before the next wave of orders hits. Stop waiting on spinning wheels and start working at the speed you deserve. Click below, get it on your desk this week, and feel what it's like when your computer finally respects you. Your faster, calmer, richer future starts the second that tracking number lands in your inbox. Go get it.